Welcome to my channel. I've not been here at this thrift store in a long time, or in a thrift store. Let's go in here, join me. Let's see what they sell. You can see over here they have these tables, this table, and some chairs. How much is this? Let's see. $64. Sounds like real wood. Like the design. Looks nice. $64, and I think it's real wood. Looks nice. 6 chairs. When you go to a thrift store, you don't need to be in a rush because you never find anything. They sell shoes, clothes, women's shoes too. It's winter, so you see a lot of jackets. Again, when you go to a thrift store, you just need to have enough time and patience to look at, like, see there's some music. Feels empty. I don't know what these are. Oh, to put your phone in there for 99 cents. Sells CDs. Pretty cheap, 99 cents. Some pretty old phone cases. Different phones. Some glasses. It's new, 99 cents. They have women purses here. Colorway. I think that's a brand name. $15. How many different kind of purses for women? How much is this? $4. Every time I go to a thrift store, I look at the art, the pictures, paintings and stuff. How much is this? This one is $10. They have this other one here for $8.49. That's what it looks like. The nice frame. They have a smaller one over here. I'll check the price. Doesn't have a price. They have another one here. What's the price in the back? Don't have a price. They have this $5.29. Still more. It's like an elephant or something. How much? That's a price right there. $7.49. This is $6. $8.49. There's one more. No, there isn't any more. This one here is $4. $7.49. I like art. I have one more in the back here. A few more. $7.49. That's what it looks like. This one here is $12. $12. This one is huge for $10.49. Look at that. It's pretty big. That doesn't have a price. That's $10.99. That's nice. This one is $5.29. $7.49. That one doesn't have a price. That's what it looks like. Okay, it's more over here. If you like art, you might appreciate this. It's $2. One more there. $2. It's a mirror, like. It's $5.29. Two little girls. It's $5.29. Has no price. $5.29. Here's a foot or feet massage for $5.29. And they have this other one too, $7.49. Massage your feet. You never guess what this is for $4.29. It's an iron. My hands are so dry. Tiny iron. I have a big iron for $10 right there. Steam iron. Another iron for $8.49. If you like baking, you can buy this thing to mix your flour for $6.49, or you can buy this one for $7.49, or you can buy this tiny one. I don't know how much this is. That's a price right there. $6.49, or this one, this for blending, $8.49. You can make 6 eggs in this thing. Actually, this is new. It's in a box for $15.99. You can make 6 eggs at the same time. That's why I was telling you, when you go to thrift store, just have patience. You might find something new for cheap. These are coffee machines here. $10. Looks pretty old. There's another one here for $4.29. Pretty old. You can also buy this vacuum sealer for your food. It's $8.49. It uses electricity. See, it has a plug-in cord there. Electric pencil sharpener. $6.49. I have a beat up shaver here, electric shaver for $6.49. I have these mini tiny fans for $2.29. I have a few of them, different colors. I've never seen this before. Heated electric windshield scraper without LED light. I've never seen one. $20. This is good for Minnesota because we get a lot of snow, and right now it's winter. You can also buy for $15, $16. You can buy this radio. Also, you can play your CDs. You put a CD in there. I have these 4 Panasonic speakers for $15. I don't know if it's $15 each, or the 4 of them are $15. I don't know. Speakers. They don't come with connectors. You have to buy those separately. It would be nice if they were Bluetooth, but they're pretty old. They sell luggage, but nobody's gonna buy these. They're dirty. I got 2 chairs here, each is 15. This one is $15. That one is $12. These are rocking chairs. I have a clock for $5.29. It uses battery, but that's missing. This tiny cabinet is $3.29. Has little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can open and put jewelry in there. There's a door right there. You can hang something up there for $3. Bobblehead thing. I don't know how much that is. $3.29. They call them Bobblehead. Again, this thrift store, there are thousands of items here. Candle, $3.29. Tiny cup for $2.29. I cannot show you everything they have. And I haven't even looked at the clothes. I don't buy clothes at the thrift store. But it doesn't mean I can't. Sometimes you can find brand new pair of something for less. But not shoes though. Even have old calculators. T85, $2.79. This tiny one pocket, $2.70. That works. $2.79. $2.79. They have a big one here. That doesn't work. Have a big clock. I heard them saying there's 50% off today. $4.29. Alright, thanks so much for joining at the thrift store. Leave a comment. Let me know if you shop at the thrift stores and what kind of things do you buy. They have thousands of different items. Cannot show you everything they sell. Alright, take it easy. Video is getting too long. It's a big cup for $2. It's a lot of whatever you're gonna put in there. Drink coffee, milk, water. Alright, take it easy. Come back and watch a playlist. Signing off from Thrift Store. Peace out.